Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0, x plus 1 cannot be 0, so x cannot be -1. Now fifth root of 81, we can write here separately fifth root of 81 will be equal to fifth root of 81 times 3 over 3. 81 is 3 power 4. So we can write here 3 power 4 times 3 over 3. 3 power 4 times 3 is 3 power 5. So we'll write fifth root of 3 power 5 over 3. Now fifth root and power 5 from the numerator will get over. We will write 3 over fifth root of 3. So in place of fifth root of 81, we can write 3 over fifth root 3. Let me write here fifth root of 5 plus 1 over x plus 1 plus fifth root of 6 minus 1 over x plus 1 equal to 3 over fifth root of 3. Now we will take LCM in left hand side. So here we will get 5x plus 5 plus 1, 5x plus 6 in the numerator and x plus 1 is in the denominator. Here we will write fifth root plus fifth root of 6x plus 6 minus 1. So 6x plus 5 over x plus 1 will be equal to 3 over fifth root of 3. Now we will multiply both sides by fifth root of 3. So I will write here fifth root of 3 will multiply LHS and we have to multiply the same in RHS. So fifth root of 3 will get cancelled out from the denominator of right hand side. Now this fifth root of 3 will get multiplied with the first term of the curly bracket and with the second term of the curly bracket. We will get fifth root of 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 plus 18x plus 15 inside the fifth root 18x plus 15 over x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we will use substitutions. Let's say first fifth root equal to a, second fifth root equal to b. So our first equation will become a plus b equal to 3. Equation number 1. Now we will find a power 5 plus b power 5 also. So fifth root is a, so a power 5 would be radicand, which we will write over here 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 plus b power 5 would be 18x plus 15 over x plus 1. Common denominator is x plus 1. We'll add both the numerators 15x plus 18x 33x plus 18 plus 15 33. We'll take 33 common, so there would be x plus 1 in the numerator which is there in the denominators too. So we will get 33 only. So we have second equation a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 33. Now we have to solve this system of equations. So I will assume AB equal to U. We have a plus b, it is 3. We have a power 5 plus b power 5, which is 33. Now I will use algebraic formula. A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus 2 times AB. We have A plus B 3. So we will write here 3 square minus 2 times AB is our substitution U. So we will write here U. So A square plus B square will be equal to 9 minus 2U. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now we will use A cube plus B cube formula. In terms of A plus B, we will write A plus B whole cube minus 3 times AB times A plus B. So we will write here 3 cube minus 3 times U times 3. I will take 3 common out. So in the bracket we can write 9 minus 3U. And this equation will be our second equation. Now I am going to multiply equation 1 with equation 2. So we have A square plus B square in LHS and A cube plus B cube in LHS, which will be multiplied. And in RHS we will multiply 9 minus 2U with 3 times 9 minus 3U. Let me write here A square plus B square times A cube plus B cube equal to 9 minus 2U times 3 times 9 minus 3U. Now we will multiply A square with A cube and we can write A power 5. B square with B cube, B power 5. Cross product will become B square A cube and A square B cube. From there we will take A square B square common. So in the bracket there would be A plus B. In RHS we can write 3 times 9 minus 2U times 9 minus 3U. Now A power 5 plus B power 5. Here we will write 33. A plus B is 3 and this is AB whole square, which we will write U square. So LHS will become 33 plus 3U square equal to 3 times 9 minus 2U times 9 minus 3U. Our equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. So we will divide LHS by 3 and RHS by 3. We will get 11 plus U square in left hand side and 9 minus 2U times 9 minus 3U in right hand side. Now we have to multiply right hand side. So we will get 81 minus 27 minus 18 minus 45U plus 6U square. In LHS we have U square plus 11. We'll take all the terms to right hand side. So 5U square minus 45U plus 70 equal to 0. Our equation is divisible by 5. We will divide both sides by 5 and get U square minus 9U plus 14 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic, which we can factor easily and get U minus 2 times U minus 7 equal to 0. So from here we will use product 0 rule and get U equal to 2 and U equal to 7. U is our substitution AB. We have equation number 1, A plus B equal to 3. From here if I will find value of B, then it is 3 minus A. So we can write A times 3 minus A. This will be equal to 2 and 7. Or we will write 3a minus a square equal to 2, first equation, and 3a minus a square equal to 7, second equation. We'll take all the terms to RHS and get quadratic equation a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0, first quadratic equation, and a square minus 3a plus 7 equal to 0, second quadratic equation. Let me check discriminant value for the second quadratic equation. It is b square minus 4ac. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 4 times 1 times 7. So it is 9 minus 28, which will become minus 19. Discriminant is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So we will reject this quadratic equation. First quadratic equation, if we will factor and write, then it is a minus 1 times a minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either a minus 1 equal to 0 or a minus 2 equal to 0. We will get a equal to 1, a equal to 2. Now a was our substitution. I will write here a equal to 1 and a equal to 2. So if I will write here fifth root of 15x plus 18 over x plus 1, then this is a. If I will find a power 5 by raising power 5 both sides, we can easily write 15x plus 18 over x plus 1. So here it is a power 5. Let's find out a power 5 from here. 1 power 5 is 1. 2 power 5 is 32. Now we will put a power 5 in terms of x. So I will write 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 equal to 1 and 32. Now we will take up first equation, 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 equal to 1, and second equation will become 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 equal to 32. Let's cross multiply. We will get 15x plus 18 equal to x plus 1. Rearranging terms, we will get 14x in LHS minus 17 in RHS. By dividing 14, we'll be getting our first real solution, minus 17 over 14. Here we will cross multiply and get 15x plus 18 equal to 32x plus 32. We'll take 15x to the right hand side. So 32x minus 15x, 17x, 18 minus 32 in LHS, which will be minus 14. By dividing 17 both sides, we will get our second real solution, minus 14 over 17. So we have two real values of x. First one is minus 17 over 14. Second one is minus 14 over 17. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.